Hi friends, Namaste. GLO making projects from long time. We did one project in Film Nagar. You can see this is a temple totally designed by GLO. You can see how the lighting is changing in the gopurams of the temple, and you can see how we kept the series light and we kept the profile lights. It totally entire the building is changed, and you can look wise also it's good, far better than the last one. GLO completely designed and installed this project. So you can see how if you are seeing from long distance, it looks very beautiful than video. So if you have a time, please visit the Film Nagar temple, which is the center of the Film Nagar. So you can see the look wise and how we did this project. And coming to here, the project cost is not much than the 4 lakhs, and with installation we did very excellently here. And we can also provide the other factors, like we can change the dimming options, we can change the color changing options here, we can change the whatever mode you want, you can keep the that controllers here. Come to